Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out a very healthy biscuit without oven, egg, sugar, butter and maida. Kids will be very excited. You just need a very few basic ingredients to make this. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add half cup of powdered jaggery, half cup of regular cooking oil, and quarter teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well for a minute and make sure the jaggery is completely dissolved. Now to this, add 1.5 cups of wheat flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well. Now your wheat biscuit batter is ready, so pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Give it a slight press and make 3 marks using a fork. Now your wheat biscuit is ready to get baked in a karai. Heat a karai, place a stand, place the wheat biscuits in a idli plate and place it on top of the stand. Close it with a lid and cook for 20 minutes in low flame. It's been 20 minutes now, so let's quickly open and check it. It's perfectly done. It's super hot. Give it a 10 minutes rest time. Now it's been 10 minutes now, so let's remove from the idli plate and enjoy it right away. It's perfectly done, crunchy outside and soft inside. The kitchen is filled with a very nice aroma. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.